You can represent the same relationship between two variables in several different ways. Problem 2, using a table, an equation, and a graph. This one's about ages. Both Carrie and her sister Kim were born on October 25th, but Kim was born 2 years before Carrie. How can you represent the relationship between Carrie's age and Kim's age in different ways? First, consider what you know. You know Kim was born 2 years before Carrie. Consider what you need. You need different ways to represent the relationship. And so your plan, use a table, an equation, and a graph. Step 1, we can make a table. We have Carrie's and Kim's ages in years as a title. The first row represents Carrie's ages, and we can input age 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way up through age 10. And then below that would be Kim's age in row 2. Well, when Carrie was 1 year old, Kim was already 3 years old, having been born 2 years before Carrie, and so we put a 3 there for Kim's age, corresponding with Carrie's age of 1. Next, when Carrie was 2, Kim was 4, so we put a 4 next to the 3, and so on, continuing the row representing Kim's age. Step 2, we can write an equation. We can let x equal Carrie's age and y equal Kim's age. From the table, you can see that y is always 2 greater than x. So we can write the equation y equals x plus 2. And finally, step 3, we can draw a graph. We could let Kim's age be the vertical axis, Kim's age in years, and Carrie's age, also in years, the horizontal axis. We'll plot pairs of ages, Carrie's age and Kim's age, that are related to one another. So first, when Carrie was 1 year old, Kim was 3, so we'll plot the point 1, 3. Next, when Carrie was 2, Kim was 4, so we plot that point. And continuing on, we can refer to the table to extract ordered pairs and plot each ordered pair on the graph. Then we connect the points with a line. Your turn, part A. Will runs 6 laps before Megan joins him at the track. Then they run together at the same pace. How can you represent the relationship between the number of laps Will runs and the number of laps Megan runs in different ways? Use a table, an equation, and a graph. And part B, a reasoning item. Describe how the graph in problem 2 would change if the difference in ages were 5 years instead of 2 years.